Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to join the official Among Us Discord server in a simple way. First, open the Chrome browser on your device. In the search bar, type Among Us Discord and press Enter. You will see several search results. Look at the top of the page and tap on the first link that takes you to the official Discord website. It is important to make sure that the link is from Discord itself so that you are joining the correct server. Once the official Discord page opens, a pop-up will appear on your screen. This pop-up is the invitation to join the Among Us server. On the pop-up, you will see a button that says Accept Invite. Tap on Accept Invite to continue. If you are already logged into Discord, your account will be used automatically, and you will join the server right away. After you accept the invite, you will be redirected to the official Among Us Discord server. This is where the community connects to talk, share updates, and find game partners. You can explore different chat rooms, join voice channels, and stay updated with the latest events and announcements from the developers. Thanks for watching.